Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're doing great. Nakash back with another excited video tutorial. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can do a modeling inside the Cinema 4D by using Sublime. So it's really easy. I'm gonna teach you how you can create this object by simply using a Sublime. So I'm gonna show you a simple layout so you can get the idea of what we are going to do here. So as you can see here, we have here simple spline and we just model it by using loft. So same, and there is some example of lathe spline. So as you can see here, we have here simple spline and we convert it into a glass, and here we have simple what we say example of pier. So as you can see, this is one supply is able to create this kind of pier. So let's begin. So first we start with this Jack Daniel bottle. So we use it as our reference, so we just make it repeat setting. So let's start. So first we open our front view. So if you don't know how to add a photo inside reference photo on the back, so just simply go in option, configure, and click on back tab, and here is the image, just like the image, and here you go. So now we simply start with our rectangle subline, so and change the plane to xz, make sure it's center in the bottle, so like that. So we just give it little bit rounding shape, rounding corner, just click on rounding and make it little bit slow. Okay, so we need to follow these all curves and shapes inside the on the bottle. So we just start from the bottom here like that, take it up, duplicate it, duplicate it again, hold control and drag it up, and one there, we'll make it smaller, and now we just try to add subline there where we need our shape changing curve. So as you can see here, so we create one here and make it a little bit bigger, one here and one here, and now we add our circle subline for this shape. So just simply add a circle and change the plane to axis and take it there, and add one circle here, one down, take it, and second here and one here, make it smaller. Just follow this shape and you are able to get exact what you want here, and we create one circle there like that, and one here like that, one there, one here and one here, and one there and one there. That's it. So next thing we need to do, so as you can see, we have here simple spline object. So what we can do here, make it, so we just add a loft and select all these splines and drag and drop under the loft tab. So as you can see here, we have some kind of looking it's not an exact shape, I already told you. So I just want to show you a basics of how you can create this. So you can do a little bit settings here, so let's do that. So how we can do the settings, so we need to find this rectangular, this one, and make it a bit down, so like that, and make this one a little bit smaller, and this one. So this is a simple example how you can create this kind of stuff. Now let's go through the another object. So here we have a simple bottle. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a really simple, so let me show you how you can do that. So just simply create a circle, you just change, and so just add a loft, create a circle, drag under the loft, change the plane axis to XZ. Now we start from bottom, like that. We make our, okay, we start from the top, like that. We start from the bottom, so okay. Now just click on circle and drag and drop. Okay, like that. Make sure you select the right circle, otherwise you're gonna get trouble. And like this, one more here, and make it like that. This is depend on your shape, which kind of shape you want here. So as you can see, we want here a little bigger, make it round. So as you can see how simple it is, so how you can create this kind of stuff. So next thing, we go through our this pier here. So let's go, we just delete this all, and we need to use a reference image for our pier for creating a lathe here. So again, we just change the image. So I'm gonna use this pier here. Just select the pen tool and try to create exact shape. So I will show you, like that, like this, like this. So this simple shape, so we create a pier with this simple shape. That's it. Now we gonna use a lathe tool for creating our pier. So what is does lathe tool? So when you apply lathe tool, so lathe tool take this spline and rotate it on 360 degrees to complete your spline. So as you can see here, if we hold alt and click on lathe, so here you go. So you have pier looking some kind of look. Just look, I don't think so, but I'm just gonna show you a basic step. So we just do a little bit editing here, like we have here. Just right click and click on soft, not soft. As you can see, make it a little bit down here for more here. Sorry. So so if you are a good artist, so you know better than me, so how peers look like in real life. So but it's okay for me. I just do a little bit. Okay, so we make it a little bit bigger next for our peer, like that. That's looking okay for me. So what we can do for create close is, so we just go late and add subdivision. So I'm not a good artist, so I'm just here to give you an idea what you can do with that sublime. So this is how you can create this kind of look peer. So I'm using a band tool for creating a band inside the peer. As you can see, if you just take out the band, so as you can now, let's go through to the glass here. So glass is really simple and easy, so same thing. So we just need to hide this. Go in front view, take a pen tool and simply do that, like that. That's it. Now just right click, create outline for give it a little bit thickness to our glass here. Next thing, just apply lathe. Now just click on spline and take it inside, like that. Now next thing, we do little bit changing. Click on your spline, select object point mode, right click, just change it to a soft, and here we go, select all point to a soft here, soft, soft. As you can see, it's gonna give you a really good looking shape, soft and soft here. So that's how you can create a glass, simple glass. By you can do a little bit changing later whenever you want. So as you can see here, there we want a little bit more, like so. Here we go. You can create a subdivision for more clean look. So that's how you can create a simple glass of wine here. So you can use it as for creating anything, anything you want. Like you can create any shape, like you can also create a bottle with that. So as you can see here, we try to create a bottle. So like this is some kind of flask or whatever you think. Just apply a lathe. So as you can see here, I just take it like that. This is look like a flask. So that's how you can create different object by using a spline, and there is more spline like sweep and extrude. So that's it for today. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe it yet. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.